Spaudi?
Taip.
Yeah, okay. How to make a backup and restore of broken pulp. When you, first of all, you can use this USB stick. Actually, this port can be used also for a mouse or for keyboard if you need it. When we are switching on, let's look at. And for very beginning, we'll see the short prompt for settings. Just wait a little. And okay, waiting. So here settings. Settings, we open this one, and the first left upper icon is service and commissioning, and we can press that one, and we can make a complete backup of a pult, and complete backup, select storage medium, start search. Start search. So we can see that it's already, I think, accept. Yeah, backup operation is going on. And so it's this is a way how to make a backup, complete backup of pult. If something, yeah, now we can see that, yeah, this one, and then this flash drive now will have a complete backup of our panel. In the case if we break it or something else happens or damage electrically, we just can take this flash and to make this operation on opposite way. That's mean to when we have new panel, we should pay attention that we should have exactly the same number here from Siemens what we have, and we will make opposite. That's mean from flash will write down to panel. This is very simple and efficient way how to make a backup.